It is your girl Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today's fucking video, okay, today's video I am going to do a swatch and a first impressions on a long awaited palette. I've been waiting for this palette for like forever and a day. I'm gonna just say that. So without further ado, I am gonna be reviewing the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Cosmetics. Okay, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And you guys, can we just take a moment for this packaging though? Okay. Now this is what the package looks like. This is the unit carton right here. It's super cool. I actually like it. It goes in like this. And I love the clasp. Like, love it, love it, love it. And it's kind of medical themed, which you guys know that I am here for that. And I love that it just reminds me of like a doctor's like just their like toolbox or something like that. So this is what it looks like. These are the shades. I am in love. Now let me see, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 shades this palette comes with. And as you guys can see, it does come with a cool little mirror right there. And this palette retails for $52. So then on Jeffree Star's website, so then when you add on your shipping, you're going to spend about $60 walking away with this palette in your cart coming your way. So $60, again, just think of that, guys. But you do get 18 shades. Like, I think this is bomb. As you guys can see, I've definitely been playing with them already. I've definitely got some favorites. Let's go ahead and get some swatching done. Now this first shade is going to be Coma. And again, this palette name is Blood Sugar, and all of these, I mean, this entire palette smells really good. It smells very sweet. And it reminds me of those candies called Smarties. You guys know about those candies? Those little circular candies. I love those a lot, but that's what it smells like. It smells so good. And pretty much a lot of the colors have like these glitter flecks in them too. Now this is the shade Root Canal. Now I must say that I am surprised by this palette, because even though these shades, they're so pigmented, you can see that they pop, you know what I mean? They're so pigmented. They actually go on really softly, and just the way that they lay, very soft. Intravenous is this next shade. It's kind of like this brown. Okay, and then look at that, guys. And then another shade that I'm gonna try is Donor. Now this is the shade that I feel like looks like Fenty Beauty's Trophy Wife, the highlighter that they have, and it does work because I have used this as a highlighter. I've created a couple looks with this palette actually, and yeah, you could definitely use it as a highlighter. And I think that's bomb. I don't know if that's something that they were going for, but it certainly worked for me. Now one more shade I'm gonna do is Blood Sugar. Oh, these shades are so soft, you guys. Like, they're really soft. It's crazy. I thought that they were gonna be like boom boom in your face, and they are boom in your face, but again, they just lay so softly on the hand as well on my eye. So I'm gonna show you guys how this palette works out. Let's jump right into this look. The first shade that I'm gonna take is gonna be this pink shade called Cavity. I'm gonna pop that kind of right on my crease, guys. You see how soft it is? Like, it's so soft. Like, it sits. I mean, it's there. But baby girl is soft, and I like that a lot. It's such a pleasant surprise, actually. Hey guys, so I went ahead and blended out Cavity. So the next shade that I'm gonna work with is this one right here, which is Root Canal. Root Canal. I do not like those whatsoever. So I'm gonna pop Root Canal right in my crease. Okay, okay. I tell you guys, these colors are so soft. So soft. Okay guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and blended out Root Canal, and I'm gonna put Coma on the outer corner right here. It's like a deep burgundy shade. I'm just gonna pop it right there. This is what I'm gonna do with Coma. Okay guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and cut my crease after I put Coma on the outer corner. Went ahead and cut the crease with some concealer. I used my Milani Retouch and Erase concealer in Honey. So for the shade that I'm gonna pop on top of the concealer, I'm gonna use this one, which is Glucose, the white one. And I'm also gonna use Candy Floss, which is right underneath it. I'm gonna kind of mix both of those because I didn't want just the stark white. And so Candy Floss is beautiful. Let me just swatch Candy Floss really quick. It's so pretty, you know? So I have I like how that looks. Just place the combination of the two right on top of that concealer. That's cute. I like it. I think it looks really pretty. Hey bitches, I am back. I am back. And y'all know what? I am just so hype right now. I'm so fucking hype. Just because of the fact I feel like I waited forever for this, and I feel like it was so worth it. So freaking worth it. I love the look. I love the look. I am Jeffree, where you at? Jeffree, where you at? Okay? Come see me. Come see me because I'm in love with this palette. I love the way Glucose and Candy Floss sat on top of my concealer. I think it looks so dope, so freaking pretty. I'm just excited. I love this look. Love this look. I use my Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Exorcism. I'm living for the shade, you guys. I fucking love it. So I'm so excited, you guys. I really think that this is worth your money. I know you're gonna pay 60 bucks pretty much out of the gate for this palette, but you've got all these shades. It smells good. It sits perfectly. It sits softly. The colors are popping, but it sits softly. I am in love. Okay, and for my lashes today, I am using the lashes in the style Drama Queen by Tashiri Blends. Her name should be right there, should pop up on the screen. Go ahead and follow her. Order some lashes from her. I love these lashes. I actually wore these on my birthday night. So they're like everything. They're fucking everything. And I love them. Again, these are another pair of lashes that I love because, you know, they are very easy to apply. I love that they give drama, but they also give wisp towards the end of the lash. Check her out. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell so you can see when your girl uploads, as well as share. Just share it. just don't even worry about it. Don't even think about what people are thinking about. Just go ahead and share that. Do that for your girl and stick around for the review.